Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to motion blur in Capcut PC. After importing the videos, I will choose one and add it to the editing timeline. Then I will apply the motion blur effect. To do this, I will click on Effects, which is among options like Media, Audio, Text and Transitions. In Effects, I will find categories like Trending, Opening, Lenses, and Nightclub. Since I have the updated software, I won't need to look for the motion blur effect in the basic section. Instead, I will go to the lens section and scroll down to find the motion blur effect. Once I find it, I will drag it above the video timeline. This adds the effect to the video. To adjust the effect, I can change settings like horizontal blur strength. Finally, I will adjust the effects length to match the video for a smooth look. And that's it. That is how you put motion blur in CapCut PC. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.